Hey there, awesome learners. Welcome to our stress-free guide to English grammar. Join me as I tackle the challenge of learning English grammar stress-free. Can I master the basics and share my tips with you all in just one video? Here's a simple and fun story that cleverly integrates all the fundamental grammar concepts: nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. As we delve into the tale of Timmy and his magical adventure in the forest, you'll see these elements come to life in an engaging narrative. After enjoying the story, we'll break down each grammar concept used, providing a clear and practical understanding of how they function in everyday language. So, let's start with our story and prepare to explore the building blocks of English grammar in action.
Once upon a time, there was a boy named Timmy. Timmy loved to explore the forest near his house every afternoon. One day, he decided to bring his little dog Max with him. They were excited to find something new. As Timmy and Max walked through the tall trees, they heard a loud sound. "Wow!" Timmy shouted. Quickly, Max ran toward the sound. Timmy followed him closely. After a while, they came to a small clearing in the forest. There, they found a shiny treasure chest hidden under some bushes. "Oh no," Timmy said. "How will we open it?" Suddenly, a magical fairy appeared. She smiled and said, "Don't worry, Timmy. I can help you. But first, you must answer my riddle." Timmy scratched his head and listened carefully. The fairy said, "I am thinking of a place where birds fly and the sun shines. Where am I?" Timmy thought for a moment and said, "In the sky." "Correct," the fairy exclaimed. "Now, I will help you open the chest." She waved her wand slowly, and the chest opened. Inside was a map leading to even more treasures. Timmy and Max the fairy followed the map together. They found many amazing things, like a golden crown and a sparkling diamond. They were so happy to have gone on this adventure. In the end, Timmy and Max went back home just in time for dinner. They told Timmy's mom all about their exciting day, and she smiled, saying, "What an incredible adventure you two had." And they all lived happily ever after.
After enjoying the adventure of Timmy and the magical forest, let's break down the grammar concepts used in the story, explaining each with examples from the text.
Nouns. Nouns are people, places, or things. In the story, people are Timmy, Max, and Fairy. Places are forest and clearing. Things are treasure chest, map, and backpack. Pronouns. Pronouns replace nouns to avoid repetition and simplify sentences. They. Used instead of saying Timmy and Max repeatedly. Him referring to Max. She referring to the fairy. Verbs. Verbs describe actions, occurrences, or states of being. Walked, heard, shouted, ran, followed, appeared, waved, opened. These verbs describe actions Timmy and his companions undertake during the adventure. Was, is, state of being verbs used to describe conditions or states, such as the chest was hidden or Max is excited. Adjectives. Adjectives describe nouns, providing more detail. Tall, trees, small, clearing. Shiny, treasure chest. Magical, fairy. Fluffy, max. These adjectives help paint a vivid picture of the scene and characters. Adverbs. Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs, describing how actions are performed. Quickly, suddenly, closely. These adverbs describe the manner in which actions are undertaken. Prepositions. Prepositions show the relationship of a noun or pronoun to another word in the sentence, often indicating direction, place, or time. Through the forest. Under some bushes. In time for dinner. These prepositions help specify locations or timing related to the actions. Conjunctions. Conjunctions connect words, phrases, or clauses. And. But. Used to connect ideas within the story, such as Timmy and Max, or opened but empty. Interjections. Interjections express emotion and are often followed by exclamation marks. Wow. Oh no. These words convey Timmy's emotional responses to events. Let's analyze some sentences and identify each part of speech. Timmy and Max walk through the tall trees. Noun. Timmy, Max, trees. Verb. Walked. Preposition, through. Adjective, tall. Conjunction, and, connects Timmy and Max. Wow! Timmy shouted as he quickly ran toward the sound. Interjection. Wow. Verb, shouted. Ran. Pronoun. He. Adverb. Quickly. Preposition. Toward.
That's it, my friends. You've just completed a crash course in basic English grammar. Don't forget, practice makes perfect, and you're doing amazing. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more fun lessons. See you next time, and remember, learning is a journey, so enjoy the ride.